Hey guys, what's going on? I'm going to cover some more of the AI-powered trading indicator that Delphi Trading uses to make a ton of money this year so far. They've made, I think, they went from 10,000 to $230,000 in just 6 months, which is absolutely amazing. It's like 2,000%, something like that, which is really unheard of. And it's really good to be in their Discord now. And a lot of people have been asking me, hey, Russell, can you go into Discord and actually check out some of these results? And so that's what I'm going to show you a little bit today. He added a channel where he actually has some of his recent results in there to show like what he's doing, what's open, what's closed, and how much he's making per trade. But before we get into all of that, I just want to go through the free course that I always offer you guys, which is win 90% of your trades in just 90 seconds. This is a free course that me and Lance from thetatraders.com put together on how to sell options to make very consistent income, about 90% of trades, 95% of trades sometimes are winners with this strategy. It's completely free. I'm not charging you anything for it. There's no complex indicators. You don't really have to do much thinking once you learn how to do this. And there's really no staring at charts all day either. So it's pretty good. Definitely check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to go and download this course. So all that being said, let's go back to Delphi. So if you guys remember, if you've been watching the channel for a while, I did a webinar live with John from Delphi Trading just the other day. So we go to the YouTube right here. This was the webinar, so I'll leave a link for you guys to watch it if you haven't seen it yet. This is John. He is the head trader and co-owner of Delphi Trading, and he is a remarkable guy. So, like I said, he turned 10,000 into 200,000+ this year alone, which is absolutely incredible. But the thing that really sets him apart from a lot of other people that make claims like that is he actually shows you the results. So this is in his Discord. If this loads up, so this is in his Discord. He goes by Delphi Agent. And so he's actually posting results that he's uploaded from his brokerage account. And you can see when you go into the Discord as well. So you can see this is from the July 10th down here, all the way till July 17th, which was yesterday. Remember, he does swing trades, so he swing trades options, typically a few days to a few weeks. You can see the exit dates on, well, you can't see the exit dates here, but you can tell he's exited now. So this was only one day, for example. He took the 1 day calls. So this one, just looking at this one, SCHW, I'm going to zoom in. He took the next day $100 calls on it, and he exited for 46%, and that's the exit price and the entry price. This one was a pretty amazing trade. We look at this one. So these were the next day calls as well. So FFAI was the ticker, and the call was right here. So the next day, $2.5 calls. And look at what happened with the actual price. He went from um, up 112%, which is really cool. So anyway, I was going to show you a couple other ones. You can see his closed trades here. If I zoom in, so you can see that there's 46%, 112%. These are all very recent trades, like yesterday. 60%, 49%. So he's making good percentage profits on these. But then I thought, well, why are some of these not why are these ones not closed yet? And what are the results? So you can see that this one should be updating pretty soon today. So we could look at the UPST 718s, we could look at the CFLT. So I pulled those up just randomly, picking some that aren't closed yet to see. This one has more time on it, CFLT, so that doesn't expire until August 15th. So a little bit out there, so it could be a longer swing. But if you look at the chart, it's already up significantly from the 11th when he entered this. So he entered on kind of around here somewhere. And look how much it's gone up since then. So we are already way up the top here around this level. So yeah, it's pretty good. So it's 5 day, 5 minute chart. There you go. So you can see it a bit better now. Random drawn line. Delete that one. Delete that. Okay, so yeah, you can see, and also one thing I want to point out here is pretty interesting is you can use Infinity Algo to back up some of his picks, and I've said this before in videos where you can actually use the indicator Infinity Algo, which is only $99 per year, actually lifetime, $99 one time payment. I'll leave a link in the description so you can go and check it out. It's one of my favorite indicators, and you can see it also indicated a buy a few days after John bought it, and it's basically trended up since. So definitely try and use Infinity Algo with these alert services. I found it to be really, really helpful, so definitely check that out. The link for the $99 lifetime deal, like I said, will be in the description below, so definitely go and check that out when you get a chance. All right, so going back to the list here, let's see, here's UPST, which is also on his list. He's UPST actually closes today, and he got in at 48. So it looks like he will make money on this trade, assuming that nothing Nothing goes too bad today. So UPST, he's kind of close to where he got in. So he got in up here. It went all the way down. It's coming back up again. You can see how well Infinity Algo is also helping us out predict where the direction is going to go here. So hopefully he sees a sell off here and these puts will actually make some money. It's a shame he didn't take profits on this drop, but it is what it is really. So yeah, so those are two that he has not closed yet. So like I said, CFLT and UPST. This is a one-off, by the way. I'm not going to show you all his trades that are open all the time. I just want to give you guys a feel for his recent performance from the 10th of July to the 17th of July. He's making, 46%, 112%, 60%, 50%, all on these trades, really, really, really quickly. So as you can see, the expirations are typically a couple of days out. Sometimes you get longer ones, like this one is the 19th of September, and so it still has plenty of time to work. We could pull it up if you want and see, have a look and see what it's looking like. But maybe like let's look at ARDX as well because that's one of the other ones. In fact, it's the only other one that closes today. So let's see how he's doing on ARDX. I wouldn't be surprised if there's a losing, like a badly losing trade in here. He can't win them all. I mean, he's up so much in all these trades. So let's see what ARDX is doing. So when did he enter ARDX? Well, we go back to the Discord right here. ARDX was on the 14th, so we can kind of look and see what the price has done. And it's calls, so it's the $5 calls on ARDX. So let's look at ARDX on the 14th. And so you can see this has kind of gone sideways. So the 14th was right here. Let's see. As long as he enters around here, he's probably about break even at the moment. So it really will depend on what happens today with the price, whether he actually makes any money on this one. But either way, you can see it's not like it's dropped a ton and he's going to lose the whole position. So that's pretty good. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with his trades, and I'll try and keep you guys updated as I go. Make sure to check out all the links in the description below, and I'll talk to you guys soon.